Was a big day for oil, crude popping again over 4%. All this after the White House saying it will tighten or maybe retighten sanctions against Russian oil exports, and adding that 2 tankers carrying Russian crude violated its price cap of $60 a barrel. This, by the way, one of the first time that the government has given us this kind of information since those sanctions were put in place about a year and a half ago. All this happening is Iran's oil minister saying in a speech today in Tehran and reported by Argus Media here on X that the regime's oil production was just over 2 million barrels a day 2 years ago, but is now over 3.3 million barrels per day and headed for a new record. All this as Iranian oil exports have also surged and enriching the country by over $40 billion from 2019. Money, of course, that it can use for nefarious purposes. Let's talk about more about all of this and bring in RBC Capital Markets Global Head of Commodity Strategy, CNBC contributor, and somebody who tipped me off to that tweet. Helima, thank you very much. I mean, Iran almost seems to be bragging, kind of throwing it in the world's face, how much oil they're producing and selling.
100%. And Brian, we continue to highlight that the biggest story in the oil market to watch stemming from this terrible crisis that we're seeing in Israel and Hamas is whether Iran will be directly targeted for their role in sponsoring Hamas. Now, there are questions about the exact role they may have played in orchestrating this attack. The Wall Street Journal has said there was direct coordination. The White House is unwilling to say that, but no one is disputing that Iran funds Hamas, supplies them with weapons, which leads to the question, if we are tightening sanctions on Russia, trying to enforce the price cap, will the Biden administration come under pressure to tighten the existing sanctions on Iranian oil exports? Iran remains under sanctions. They have not been waived. The question is, will they be enforced?
Honestly, listen, you may not agree with this, Helima. I think it's kind of a head fake for much of the media that doesn't dive in as much maybe as you or I do. It's like, look over here, Russia, we're going to 2 ships. We're over $60. You know, look over there. There's $6 billion in a Qatari bank. When Iran had added over 40 to 50 billion in their foreign currency reserves in the last 3 years, and were partisan bickering over $6 billion and 2 Russian ships.
No, 100%. I mean, the real revenue haul that Iran has been able to accrue has come from increased exports. And again, it's fascinating to me that this rise in oil prices today has been linked to indications that we're going to tighten sanctions on Russia, when the biggest question going forward is, what are we going to do about the Iran exports? I mean, Secretary Yellen was out saying we have not relaxed the sanctions, but the question is, have we actually enforced the sanctions? And so the question is for the Biden administration in the coming weeks, are you going to have to take more concerted efforts to try to basically close the bank for Hamas?
Can you do that? I mean, do you think there's only 2 ways to look at this, Helima? Let's be intellectually honest. I know that the White House won't be happy about it, but you either are not enforcing the Iranian sanctions or you can't enforce the Iranians. One of those 2 things, I think, must be accurate.
I mean, look, if you look at what happened when the U.S. essentially ended exemptions for importers of Iranian oil in 2019, we did see a significant drop in Iranian oil exports. And yes, Iran is using a shadow fleet of tankers, much like Russia is using a shadow fleet of tankers now. But could there be more work to target ship-to-ship transfers? That is really the question. Can you also go after some of the Chinese refiners that are accessing U.S. capital markets and essentially say, you can continue to do business with the United States or U.S. regulated institutions, or you can take Iranian crude? So there are measures that the administration can likely take to at least drive down some of these exports. Maybe you don't get 700,000 off the market, but do you take 300,000 or 400,000 off?